Since masks are mandatory, I thought I'd start off this video how everybody should be walking around. Please wear your mask, and that's just my PSA announcement. So let's go ahead and get started.
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I'll repeat it. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that.
Hey everybody, this is your girl KiDyeKi, and I'm back with another video. If you made it this far, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because it's free. It's free, girl. Go ahead and do that. I'll wait. I'm just playing with y'all. So right now, I'm gonna let y'all know or tell y'all how to grow your hair. Whatever you water, it will grow. Whatever you water. So today, I'm going to talk to y'all about a couple of things that I do for myself and I recommend for others to use to grow your hair, to let your hair flourish, butterfly. I'm on a journey to waist length hair, and girl, it's been rough. It's been rough. And I can do another video about the setbacks I had, the struggles I had, all the mistakes I had. So that's what this channel is all about. I don't want to stop this video and deter it, but I just want to let y'all know what this channel is about. I'm here to give y'all the tips that I do so y'all can be better in life. So y'all won't have to be a bald-headed scallywag like I was, y'all. I was a bald-headed scallywag. I didn't know what I was doing with my hair. I was flat ironing it, putting excessive heat on it. I was chopping it. I was trying to cut me some bangs. If I had a picture, oh my gosh, I permed it, fried it, dyed it. It was just my hair did not flourish at all. Like all through high school, it was crunchy, it was dry. Then I go get some Blue Magic, slap some grease on it, and be like, yo, what my hair needs is this Blue Magic. And it just was greasy, dry, damaged, and then I had the nerve to cut it. If I can find a picture, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. Oh. Y'all need to see the come up so y'all can watch this video and be serious about it. Just like sis came from here to here. So my first tip would to be put your hair in low manipulation styles. What a low manipulation style would be, braids, twists, and any protective style that doesn't involve using rubber bands and things like that. So my go-to hairstyle is twists, girl, because all you're doing is taking one piece of hair and taking another piece of hair and wrapping it and wrapping it and wrapping it and wrapping it. And when you get down to the bottom, I know a lot of people leave it hanging like that, just leave the end hanging, but girl, that's not what you do. Let me drop the major keys though. So you take this and you get some more oil because you got to sop this piece up. You got to sop it up. And you're going to take it, you're going to wrap it around your finger, and then you're going to take it and tuck it through the back, and you're going to wrap it around. And you're going to wrap it around. And then it's going to look like this little bow. And then you rub it with your hand. I'm not going to do it for real because that's not the look I'm going for, but you're gonna have like a little hanging bantu knot. Y'all see that? And every time you make your twist, make sure you have that little hanging bantu knot at the end. It will help keep the moisture in and baby those ends. Another tip is baby your ends. Don't pull them, don't put a lot of stress on them because the ends are the oldest piece of your hair. So if you want your hair to grow, you have to keep the older pieces intact so you can retain length. Because people think their hair is not growing, but it is growing. Your hair has to grow. As long as you're alive, your hair has to grow unless you have some other underlying issues. But your hair is always growing. To retain length is different. Because I remember I was at shoulder for a long time until I started doing protective styles. I remember I was in high school and I asked my friend, I was just like, how? I think she was Ethiopian.
I was just like, girl, your hair is flourishing. What are you doing? She's like, I braided. I was just like, no, what do you do? Like, what ingredients, I braided. And she looked at me, I don't know if she was pissed off.
But she said she braided it. let me stop playing. She gave me the truth. She put her hair in protective style. She had it like that most of the time. So her hair grew and it grew, and her hair was really long. It was down her back. Right. My next tips would be to find good products to wash, condition, moisturize, and add protein to your hair. So I had to go ahead and pause the video. I did a video about what products I use already. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that after watching this one. And that's it. Bye, y'all. Because those are the staple things that I use in my regimen that keeps my hair at a good state. And if y'all want me to do a video about the products, when I use it and when I don't use it, and difference between the products and my thoughts on it, I can do that. The natural hair community, y'all, I don't need y'all coming for me, because I do what works for me and my hair. I have type 4A, 4B, maybe I got a little 3B strand in the back that we're not going to talk about because I don't know. Genetics is a crazy thing, but yeah, my hair is majority 4A, 4B type hair. My next tip, besides the 3 things I already said, would honestly be leaving your hair alone. A lot of people want to go in and they want to flat iron it. They want to do all these different styles to it. I mean, you can, but leaving it alone would be the best thing. If you have it in braids, leave it in braids. If you have it in your protect style, leave it in that style. Keep a style for 2 weeks at a time, and change your style every 2 weeks. Like my hair, it's a twist out right now, and I'm gonna keep this in for about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, just depending on how long I can stretch it and how long it looks good, before I plan on doing a different style. And after that, you know, you just got to switch it up. You have to do styles that you can do different styles in between. Like if I get twist, I can put my twist in different styles. I have my twist out right now, and I can do this, put it up, put it down, move it around. You know, there's different things. So you just have to find different styles that work for you. My last and final tip would be to stretch your hair. What I mean by stretching is, how can I explain this? So when you're stretching your hair, you're basically loosening up the curls so they won't curl into each other. Because when your curls combine like that, that's what causes single strand knots. That's what causes breakage and other things. So the more stretched out you can keep your hair, the more manageable it will be. So I don't know if that makes sense to you. Maybe if y'all want me, I can do another video about stretching your hair and detangling and all that stuff, and I can go deeper into it. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and look into the description box, because you never know what could be down there. Your girl be dropping keys and leaving gems every week, but you would never know. If you haven't already, go ahead and join the charm family, because every key needs is what? It's charm. So go ahead and join the charm family by subscribing, like it, and share. Don't forget to share. All right, bye.
That's my way. Do it like that and I'll repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid.